Have you ever wondered what your last words would be? This shocking footage captures a woman's final moments before a devastating car crash, leaving viewers questioning the fragility of life and the importance of safety on the road. On February 1st, 2024, a Marion County deputy responded to a call at the Forest Shopping Center in Silver Springs, Florida, about a woman trying to steal car keys. When the deputy arrived, she approached his car, pretending to be the caller. As he walked around his vehicle, she suddenly jumped into the passenger seat and sped off, leading police on a 4.5-mile high-speed chase.
No. Stop! 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 You did so bad, she just got in my car, took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation. Were you the one who called us?
Yes. I'm still, like, really shaking. Okay, thank you. Did you know her? No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
Oh. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place.
She quickly drove out of the parking lot, ignoring the ongoing traffic and nearly crashing into a police officer.
Excuse me to all stations, I need help. This is a fake route.
During the chase, she reached a speed of 125 miles per hour, nearly causing multiple accidents. It seems she didn't have a clear plan, which is why she stopped and changed direction multiple times to avoid being caught.
We're now passing the weigh station, still eastbound. And we're still eastbound past the weigh station.
Before you switch, this is wrong.
Officers attempted to deploy stop sticks on the road ahead of her to stop the vehicle, but she noticed and changed direction once again.
Safety 316, she did advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler. And she's turning around, she's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound.
It seemed as though something kept her on that road.
She turned around? Okay, bitch. No, we're coming for you.
After a few miles, unaware of her fate, she attempted to overtake a semi-truck on the shoulder. Driving at high speed on an uneven path, she lost control and veered into the opposite lane, colliding with an oncoming pickup truck.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Signal 4, station 1033.
The officers who were present rushed to the scene to assist those involved in the accident.
Stay away from the car! Stay away from the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
6316, back signal 4, send max 1018.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello?
Signal 4, another vehicle.
You guys okay? I'm not getting a response from them. Hello? at? There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them. Get them. Get them.
Pickup truck.
Marion, I got the police cruiser on fire. Hey, Miller, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Get it over here. Get it over here.
Hey, don't walk too close. Here, come here.
It's really hot right here. Really hot.
Here, aim it.
Really hot.
Where's yours? Let me grab yours.
Mine's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's
The
unlocked.
officers are risking their lives now, trying to control the
It's a bit
situation, something that could have easily been avoided.
Do we have any any contact talking? At least three occupants. Sheriff's office. Is everyone okay? I got 3 occupants unresponsive in the other vehicle.
Partner is calling 911 for you. I'll be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
I need one fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Yeah, let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this doesn't start a fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
I don't know if that smoke's coming from. Shit.
Okay.
The female officer was in shock and visibly overwhelmed, grappling with the tragic reality that 3 innocent lives were lost, all because of one person's reckless and selfish actions.
I'm so fucking mad right now, bro.
Hey, don't beat yourself up.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted that they could fucking patrol car.
Push back about a mile.
Oh.
Just let medics pull down the opposite lane and travel.
She and 2 passengers in the oncoming truck were pronounced dead at the scene, while a 3rd passenger from the truck was transported to the hospital in critical condition.